Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online. I'm going to show you where you can find clients, and actually I'm going to show you two ways to do this. First way is to do this by yourself by using software. And second way is to actually pay somebody else to do that for you and you keep the difference. So without further ado, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to find clients. So what you need to do, you need to come here on Craigslist. Now, if you live in India, Philippines, Germany, Brazil, or whatever, you need to find the classified ads website in your country and then apply this method in your own country. But I'm here on Craigslist, so what I need to do, I need to click here on create a posting to create a new post. And what I need to do, I need to click here on community, and then I need to click here on volunteers, because I'm actually going to offer my service totally free. And stay with me, I'm going to show you how we will actually make money by offering this free service. So first thing I need to do, I need to add a title, posting title. Now I already prepared that, so I can say something like this, okay? I will say free website help, clean, simple, short. Free website help, right? Everybody understand that. Here I need to add a city or a neighborhood. Now I would suggest to choose smaller cities because competition in those cities is not that big and it's not that strong, so it is much easier. So let's just say, for example, Medford, Oregon, and here I need to add postal code. Now I already have postal code for Medford, Oregon, and this is the postal code. And here I need to add a description, what I'm actually going to offer for free to these people. So I already prepared that as well, Control C, and I'm going to paste it here. If you need help with your website, I will check your website and see what is good and what you need to fix. I will do it completely free of charge. Okay, so there are many people who have small websites, small companies, but they have issues with their website. And when they see that you are actually offering a free help, they will hire you, okay, to help them to fix those issues. So what you need to do next, you need to add contact info because people need to contact you, right? So here you need to add your email. Now you do not have to add your personal email. I would actually suggest you to create a new email and add that email here, or you can choose your phone or whatever. So I will just say this email. Now this is not my email. I just created some email, okay? It is not my personal email. And then what I'm going to click here, okay? And then click here on continue. And here you need to add an image now. You need to add a catchy image. I already prepared that image and this is the image, okay? And here you can see this is a catchy image. Guy behind the computer and he hold a help sign. So this is a catchy image. It is perfect for my ad. Now you can find royalty-free photos and images on Pexabay or Unsplash. And I would strongly recommend to use royalty-free photos and images. Then click here on done with the images. And here you can see how your ad will actually look like, okay? And all you have to do now is just click here on publish and publish your ad. Now what I would suggest to publish your ad, change some things, do not publish exact same ad, change some things and publish your ad in as many as you can smaller cities and towns in your country. Because like I said, in smaller cities, competition is not that big, it's not that strong. And everybody has website, it doesn't matter where they live. So this is what you need to do to find clients. But what when client actually contact you? What you need to do? So what you need to do, you need to tell them to send you a URL of their website. And after they do that, then what you need to do, you need to go on this website here, SEOP timer. Now this is first way that you will do it by yourself. And then as you can see here, they have a paid and a free option. Now for this example, we are going to use free option. Later you can switch to a paid option. So what you need to do, you need to simply paste that here. Now this is some random website. I don't even know who owns this website. And then click here on audit. Now this may take up to a few minutes depending on how big this website is and how long they will actually need to process the data from this website. Okay, it finished analyzing this website and here you can see your page is good. They gave it A. And here you can see how this website looks and here you can see all the other stuff. Now this is really detailed report, even though this is actually a free report. And here you can see so many things. Here you can see tag, here you can see links, on-page SEO, social performance, usability, and so on and so on. And here you can see on-page SEO results A+. This means this is really good. Title tag, meta description, SERP, snippet preview, and so on and so on. And here you can see H tags. Now H tags are really important. Now if you know how to do SEO, you know this is really important. But here you can see keyword consistency. That is bad. They actually don't have keyword consistency. As you can see here, this is not that good. And here you can see phrases, same thing. Image alt attribution, also they don't have that. And here you can see entire report, full report, all the things that are good, but they can be fixed, and all the things that they need to fix. Okay, and this is a huge, and this is actually really detailed report, as you can see here. Now all you have to do now is just scroll back on the top and then click here on download this as a PDF and download this PDF document, and then go back on Craigslist and send this to your client. Okay, but how do you actually make money? You just gave them this report totally free. And what you can do is you can actually offer your client to fix these issues for them. As you can see here, you can fix keyword consistency on their website. You can also fix some things that are good, but they could be better. So you can offer to do that for $20, $30, $50. And because it is not that expensive and they need that to be fixed, they will actually pay you to do that. And not just that, but you can actually add them to your mailing list, and you can do upsells and downsells. You can make them your permanent client. You can actually ask them, do you wish for me to maintain your website? And you can charge $100 or $200 per month. And like I said, it is not that expensive, so most people will accept because you already fixed some things on their website and it works really well. So they will accept for you to maintain their website. And that is why I told you to actually go on smaller cities, because in smaller cities, those companies, those small businesses, they usually don't have people who maintain their website. Okay? But what if you don't know how to make these reports? You don't want to pay for this. You're not satisfied with this free version. So what you can do is you can actually pay somebody else to do that for you. So what you can do, you can simply go on Fiverr, and here you can type something, for example, SEO website report. Okay? SEO website report. Click here, and here you can find people who will do SEO website report for you. And some of these people will actually do this by using Ahrefs or SEMrush. Now all of these people, they too use some kind of software. They are not doing this manually. They all use softwares, and like I said, some of these people will use one of those big softwares like Ahrefs or SEMrush. And as you can see, they will charge them just $5 or $50, depending on how complicated your report you wish to be. But what if you don't know how to fix this stuff? Well, you can simply go back here, and here you can say something like fix website, and then press enter. And here you can find people who will, for just $20 or $10, fix some things on your website, like I said, depending on what you need to be fixed. And then what you can do, you can simply go back on Craigslist and offer that service to your client. And like I said, you can charge this guy, for example, here he will charge $50 to fix that issue. So what you can do is you can charge $100 to your client and keep the difference. So basically you will be middleman. You will do almost no work. It is that simple. It is that easy. All you need in this case is good communication skill, and that's it. And you can do this and make good money. So this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.